Hi guys, today I want to share you guys something that we always kena when we purchase our product, our spare part that people tell us is original, but unfortunately after we bought back, then we find out on the next round that is not original. So okay, I have borrowed some spare part from my friends that is on brake pads. Okay, this brake pad is W205 Mercedes. Okay, so let's find out. Okay, let's take a look. Mercedes-Benz logo. Okay, everything is status. Is everything looks very ori. Is it original brake pad? Okay, let's find out. Okay. Okay. This is what inside the box. Which status original, and this is also status is original. Oh my god, it looks exactly the same from the outlook. Okay, even though the wording looks almost the same. Okay, what I can see from here, okay, from the boxes. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, this is the original box. Okay, so from the original we can see there's a tape here, status Daimler sticker here. Okay, and inside what have I found out is, okay, the wording and both inside the brake pad is very clear. Okay, and the packing for the original, there's some curtains protection here to make sure the brake pad is fitted into the box and it's not moving. It's not moving when on transportation that moment. All right, and this non-original is actually empty. All right, so you can see the cost of save for the non-original and original. Okay guys, okay, you can see from the photo. Okay, this photo is non-original. Do you guys see the layer of every layer? There's many lines on the brake pad. Okay, so on the end part you can see there's no layer, there's no line on the bottoms. Okay, you can see the brake pad until the end. Okay, if we haven't changed our brake pad yet, that part will actually affect our disc rotor lifespan. This photo is the original brake pad. You can see all the layer, all the line is until maximum, until the end, and you can see there's some color of brown color. Actually, that is a very good brake dust material. So this is the difference between original brake pad and non-original brake pad. So guys, okay, you take a look. Okay, this is the original boxes. This is non-original boxes. Okay, so one is higher level and one is lower level. Okay, for you guys which don't want to remember so much. Okay, when you purchase brake pad, remember you take a look at the number on the bottom of the brake pad. Okay, is so the wording is clear. I will snap a photo on very clear photo and let you guys see the difference of original and non-original wording on this part. Okay, here we go for oil filter. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, this is original. Okay, from this original, when I unbox it, there's glue here, you can see. Okay, from this part, okay, there's glue here, so you have to tear out the glue, then only you can open the box, unbox the box. Okay, so this thing, okay, this is original, which come with oil O-rings, okay, and some chemical smell, okay, and this thing, okay, which is black color Mercedes logo. So that's it for the different, I guess. Okay, let's see what's the non-original. Okay, a bit more brown color, darker color, come with O-ring as well. Okay, and the box is no glue here, and blue, this thing is come with blue, okay, blue logo on Mercedes, okay, and no chemical smell. This original thing, we will find that it's very smooth, and this thing, non-original, is very rough, okay, and I will not use, just save a couple of 10 ringgit and then use non-original, because the engine is worth more than a couple of 10,000. What do you think? I have here, okay, a filter, okay, let's see, okay, non-original, blue color as well, and see what's the difference. Okay, the wording here is slightly bigger than the original, and the surface on the side here is a bit rough, it's not that smooth. And original, which is black color, the surface size here, finishing is very smooth, and the wording here is neat and clean. So about the quality difference of these two things, I think it's almost same. So just don't buy, use original price, buy non-original product. That's all. Okay guys, bros and sis, okay, do my video sound informative to you? If yes, please share, like, subscribe, and click the bell for us. Give us more support. Alright, see you guys.